Hello, I'm Joy Louise, an illustrator and designer. I draw a lot of florals and nature inspired pieces using black inks, and I like to add a bit of embellishment, sometimes a bit of watercolour, a bit like these pieces here. I also add a bit of pencil shading sometimes. But today I'm going to teach you how I draw a series of flowers. It's kind of a continuation on my last class, well, my first class, which was how to draw florals with black ink, and then I also showed you how to combine those in Photoshop. So this is kind of a continuation on that, but shown more botanical flowers, some herbs, some foliage, to kind of broaden your library of flower drawing. My aim is to kind of make a bigger library of flowers that you can refer to if you ever want to know how to draw anything, and you can just follow along. I break everything up easily step by step, so you can kind of see piece by piece how to do it, so you don't need any drawing experience to follow this class. You just need some pens, some paper, and yeah, I'll show you step by step on how I draw all the different flowers listed below.